So I just came from Walmart and I bought this. Yep. Tell you the truth, I don't even know why I bought this. I guess I only bought it just for out of my curiosity. So if I like it, I probably might keep it. If I don't like it, I'm gonna take it back. 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna take it back. So we gonna see how it's gonna go. 9 times out of 10, I'm probably gonna take this back because I'm literally asking myself, why did I waste my money on this when I could have got something better than this piece of junk? I'm not gonna do too much rambling because there ain't nothing really special about this fan. So without further ado, let's unbox it. I'm gonna open it. Got your grills and the blade I've already shown. The table stand and the knob to the blade. And last but not least, here's the naked fan. The fan itself. Okay, maybe I should have read the manual because I have no idea what I'm doing. Not that it matters anyway because it's a cheap fan. Okay. Okay, so the base is finally on. So now we're gonna install this blade, knob, and this. Oh, dumbass. Huh, I didn't even pay attention. Open. Okay, there we go. Not perfect, but I don't give a shit. You got your fuse plug. I really do hope I have my receipt on me, because if it don't work, I can take it back and I can find another fan, but not this. So we're starting on low. That's a nice startup sound, I'll give it that. Moves nice, gentle breeze. Well, it's probably because I'm standing close to it. Okay, despite the gentle breeze is moving, I'm just curious how long this thing gonna last. 2, which is medium. Oh, use medium. Okay, despite the noise it's making, it is moving a nice amount of air. I will give it that. I was hoping it would be worse than the Lasco 16 inch stand fan, but I still don't think it's a great fan at all. But it is moving a nice amount of air. I will give it that. And plus, it has a decent startup sound. Alright, showing the oscillation. I hope it won't fail on me. Alright, 0 is off. The spin down time could have been better, but I'll give it a I'll show you the startup sound of this thing. Alright, that was 1, 2. And last but not least, 3. Alright. Alright. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you turn on post notifications whenever I post another video. Which, like I said in my last few videos, I don't be on my channel much because I don't be on YouTube that much. Only when I watch videos, that's it. But as far as post videos, I don't really do it too tough like I used to. So, with that being said, peace. Guess.